Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm here to discuss the AWS free tier policy, right? I am sure that you guys are aware that AWS is offering you a free tier with a newly customer, right? If you're creating a new account, then obviously you will get a new AWS management console and which used to come with many free services, right? It was used to come with some kind of free services where we'll have some set of services which was free, where we have some AWS EC2 instances that was coming from 750 hours per month. But yeah, that policy has been changed, right? It has changed. They have rephrased their free account from starting from July 15 to this month, right? So now you must be wondering like what will happen to those account which was created before July 15th, right? So those account will be there, right? Whatever the benefit uh, were there, right? With those legacy AWS free tier account, those will be there, right? But if you are creating your account starting from July 15th, right, then you will not be able to access all these features, right? So we will discuss like what all feature and that the thing they have changed, right? So let's see. First, we have the legacy AWS free tier account where this tier was used to come with some 12 months free, right? You will have that 12 months of period where you can access your account and the many of the services here you can see more than 100 AWS products are available, right, on AWS free tier today. But that was the case with the legacy AWS because now it has changed starting from 15th July. So these were the trial, right? Like you can go and you can get a trial for many of the services, and once the trial period expires, simply you can switch to that pay-as-you-go model, and you will have that services will be using, right? But 12 months free, that mean obviously it was coming free with the 12 months validity. Where if you are creating account, let's say on January in any year, right? Before, let's say in January 24, if you are created, so it was free until December 2024. There are few services which comes always as a free, right? And you can explore this AWS official document where you can see that many of the services which has their free trial which comes with 12 months free, and within the 12 months also they have some limitation, right? If I talk about that EC2 instance, right, so here you can see that we used to get the 720-50 hours per month for this OS, right? And this type of instance we can launch where we have the T22 micro, T2 T3 dot micro, all these, right? And it was a 750 hours per month, right? If I talk about the Amazon S3, right, the simple storage services, it used to come with the 5 GB of standard storage where we used to get the 20,000 get request and 2,000 put request, right? And that was the, so this kind of services you can explain, right? But now what they have done is they have changed their AWS free tier policy, right? And now what they are saying is you will get a $200 in your credit, right? So, but there is a catch, guys, right? With if I say new AWS free tier program, let's say they're saying that new user get up to $200 in credit. No, that's not the case. I will tell you. First of all, they have reduced the liquidity, right? So this free account will be valid up to 6 months only, right? Earlier it was 12 months, but now it will be up to 6 months. And this $200, there is a catch, right? The moment you have signed up your account, right, you will get the $100 credit immediately in your account, right, which you can use. But the another $100, right, they have some kind of limitation, right? Not limitation, maybe they have some kind of condition, right? Like you need to use some other services, and then based on that services, you will get the $20 per service, right? And you can have that five services, and the another $100 will be credited in your account, right? And this is up to the 6 months. So now once you create a new account with the AWS, right, you will have a two option. One is the free and one is the paid, right? I will tell you what is the difference between. So here you can see that free plan is something where you will have that $200 in credit. It is up to 6 months without cost and commitment. And same paid plan, it is production ready. It's almost did 150 AWS services that here you have that free usage of the selected services. Here also you have the same thing, but workload scale beyond credit threshold. You cannot go with that if you have exhausted your free threshold, right? You cannot go beyond that limit with the free. You have to upgrade your account to the paid plan subscription. Workplace scale beyond, right? Similarly, access to all AWS services and feature, that might be not the case, and depending on the region also, you will not have the access to each and every service. But obviously with the paid plan you will have the full access, right? Here you can see that for the EC2 instance, if you see that use credit to access Amazon EC2 feature in both free and paid plan. Free plan eligible instance include, now you can launch these free, right? But now you will not get that 750 hours per month, right? It will gonna use those credited, right? Which credit? Which you will get your free account, right? So whatever the amount or the number of hours you are running the EC2 instance, that much of that based on that the compute power or the instance type, you will get charged from that particular credit, right? Similarly, for the Amazon S3, you can see that it is same that you will have that up to 5 GB of free, right? But here again, it will gonna use the credit to your Amazon Access S3 feature. Similarly, right? You can explore all these features, right? Because now they you can see that available in both plans. Which plan? Free plan and the paid plan, right? So based on that we can have and we can discuss all these things, whether it will be free or paid, right? But let me tell you, if I go here, right, so what they are saying is they are saying that now because they have overhauled its free tier program, right, for a new customer, so the $100 credit will be given once you signing up, right? Plus an additional $100 when you will give in because they have that five specific service activity, and if you are using those five services, right? So based on that, you will have get the $20 each, right? If I scroll down, so here you can see that when you sign up for a free, right, you will get $100 credit, but you can also earn an additional 20 credit for each of these five AWS, right? So Amazon EC2, if you are launching, right, then just launch and terminate usage, you will get the $20 additionally, right? RDS, the database, right, you will get the another $20. Same with the Lambda, Bedrock, budgets. So all these five feature, if you have used with these free credit, right, so additional $100 credit will be given to your account, right? And based on that you can use your this AWS service management console, right? So that was the case. So I just thought that let's update you, because now if you are creating your new account, so don't get confused if you are not getting the free account or maybe up to 12 months or something, right? Because they have changed their policy. And one more thing, right? They are saying that at any time you can subscribe or you can upgrade your account to a paid plan, right? So for this also there is a thing. Let's say if you have $200 credit in your account, right? And you have used your free services up to 20 or 25 days, right? And based on that, now you have $150 credit is pending, right? Now you decided that, okay, I am happy with the AWS services and I am upgrading myself to the paid plan, right? So what you can do is you can just subscribe to the paid plan. But in that case, what will happen to these $150, right? So I will tell you what will happen is once you upgraded, right, or maybe from the date of the account creation up to 12 months, right, what will happen is these credit will be adjusted in your AWS bill, right? So it will not go wasted, right? Because $50 you have already used as a part of free tier, and $150 is remaining once you when you have upgraded your plan to paid plan, right? So what will happen is for the next 12 months, if or maybe whatever the month remaining for to reach to 12 months, right, from the date of the creation of your account, these credit will be adjusted in your AWS bill, right? And let's say now you have 6 month done, right? and no, now you don't want to plan your subscription to the paid plan, right? So what will happen is AWS will gonna wait for up to 90 days and then account will be deleted, right? So still, if you have 6 month exhausted and you need let's say 30 days or 1 or 2 months to think about that whether I need to continue with the paid plan or not, so you have up to 90 days where you can just come back and upgrade yourself to the paid plan, right? You will have the same account, same service and everything, right? So that is the case. So yeah, guys, that was the thing which I just wanted to share with you with this new AWS free tier policy plan. And I hope the information was informative. So that's it. I will meet you in next video where we probably will discuss the more things. And till then, bye bye and thank you.